Now I'm live. Hey everybody, welcome to the stream. Oh, no, I'm not. Hey, what's up everybody? Chico here. Now I'm live. I thought I was live for a second. Welcome all 321 of you to my Chico Crypto dump stream. I warned you. Did I not warn you guys? I said a big dump was coming this month. And yes, a big dump did come. We dropped from above 40k, 41, 42, some maybe on some exchanges, down to below 30k. I don't know if we dipped below, but to the 30k levels, that's a significant dip. And I said it was coming, so let's listen in. This was January 5th. I was like, shit's way too bullish. And if you just looked in the past, this kind of dip had happened before. So, what's up everybody? Welcome to the stream. Chat is on fire right now. Yo-ho, what's up everybody? I'm not going to try to call bottoms or anything because no one can. I mean, if you're watching the YouTubers that are doing TA, they are not technical analysis traders. They suck. They're doing it so you use their leverage trading link and they make money off you. Don't do that. Don't leverage trade. Don't use a YouTuber's link if they're shilling one if you want to leverage trade, because that's literally all they're doing that for, is to make money off you. But yeah, that's why I don't push them. I don't want my subs to make money off my subs like that. I want to make money from crypto companies who have the money, millions of dollars. So yeah, I called this, you guys. I said it was coming, and it came. Let's listen in. Things stay the same. This means we have a bigger correction coming that could last up to a week and take Bitcoin down to the low 20Ks. So do I think this is going to happen? That correction? Well, you got to understand who is running the leverage game nowadays. So yeah, I mean, I did see it coming because it's happened in the past, you guys. So back last bull run, pre-bull run, not up to our 20K peak, but January 2017, we crossed, or not even cross-sold all-time high. We got close to it. January 3rd, up near, it probably got to 1200 on some exchanges, but the daily close was above 1130. And it dropped all the way down to where it was right before the pump. I mean, December 18th, it started pumping, and it dropped all the way down. Significant drop. Hey, JK, made a mint prepping today, like 2018, January 2010. Thanks, bro. I'm glad you understood what was going to happen. Yeah. There's money to be made on the way down, money to be made on the way up. But I'm a holder. I try to, put my thoughts forward for those people who like to day trade. But my thoughts aren't 100% correct. Like, no one is. So I saw that in the past. So let's just replay. 3 out of the 4 years, we have dove in early January. So that means, yes, I do think another correction is coming. The bounce yesterday was just that, a dead cat bounce, to sucker in a few more longers before we crash again. It could have happened already, it could still come. I might be completely wrong. That's why I don't leverage trade. So that's why I don't leverage trade. That's why I don't push my subs to leverage trade. Because in manipulated markets, the exchanges always win. Sometimes you could be on the right side of the exchange one every few trades, but majority of the time you're going to lose. The house always wins. It's like a casino. Yeah, don't go to casinos. You're going to lose. That's the same with leverage trading. Don't leverage trade, and the YouTubers who push it are POSs, and I'm not talking about proof of stake. They are nasty people, and I understand why YouTube is pushing them so hard right now, is because they want to make crypto look nasty. I mean, that's why they're pushing the scam videos. They got in trouble for that, so now they're just going to push the actual scammers. So, yeah. But yeah, January, there's always a dip. There's always a pretty big sell-off. It's happened pretty significantly throughout Bitcoin's history. The only year it didn't do it was 2020, and I don't know why it didn't. I mean, there was little dips, from 8,000 to 7,800, 9,000 to 8,600. But nothing like what we just saw, you guys. But since Bitcoin's, 5 years since the markets have been pretty significant, January, through this entire cycle, January, there has been a pretty significant sell-off. So, I mean, it's not surprising. Like, I was like, there's going to be another, just the way the markets were moving, too. I mean, significantly bullish. If you're putting in longs, I mean, upwards of, even into the 30K range, ridiculous, in my opinion. Muzami Bilal, win GRT Moon, once we get an alt season. Which, it's possible one's coming, and we're going to get into that. Bilal, appreciate your tip, man. Hey, Doobie Cook, thanks, man. I got two JK was a Canadian, $20 tip. I thought he also did a CZK. Doobie Cook said, thanks for the warning. Went into USDC 80% yesterday, and happy I did. You are the man. Of course. I mean, I said, if there are some unnatural market movements, I might be going into a stablecoin, and these are some unnatural market movements. So January, the only year, January 2020, only year in the past 5 years it hasn't dipped significantly in the past 5 years. So it's pretty obvious in my opinion. So yeah, let's listen in to what I had to say in that video as well.
What do I personally think, if I had to guess? What's going to happen in the next week? Well, the opportunity to pull off a final reckoning before turning full-on bullish for the year is closing in. And if you pull out the liquidation charts for all exchanges, you can see there isn't billions of dollars worth of shorts across leveraged exchanges going down like longs. Or we would see a big red bar being just as big as those green bars.
So no one's really going short right now because, I mean, this looks like the beginning of a bullish cycle. So the leverage exchanges, the big people, the big dogs, I mean, if you look at Binance's volume right now, $48 billion, it's ridiculous. They can't help themselves, you guys. This is a massive payday, they have the cards. It's a centralized exchange. They can see where everyone's liquidation point is, and they plan these out. I'm telling you right now, it used to be BitMEX, now it is Binance. They are manipulating these markets, in my opinion. And it's a bigger machine than just them. It's just they're one of the exchanges that pulls the triggers now. So you don't see those big red bars right now, even with, like massive buys. Bitcoin goes from $30,000 to $40,000. You don't see, because no one's going short. So there's more money to be made for these exchanges on the way down right now than there is on the way up. Did I say anything else?
On the way up to 30K. You don't, because people aren't crazy shorting Bitcoin at the beginning of bullish cycles. And then just look.
And then, yeah, I mean, usually in January too, the stock market sell off, so. Now you look at, this was, a couple days ago, or last week, when we had that initial big sell-off, the initial dump, it wasn't even that significant of a dump, because people even forgot about it. But this one is even outdone that one, big old green bar, They just made out bank. $2.5 billion, mostly Binance volume, notional value, and just, like that, under 24 hours. That's a big payday. Yeah, you just look at the volume too, $48.9 billion. It's probably more right now, probably over 50. No, it's still there. 38.19 Huobi. I mean, just all Chinese exchanges. Bybit is up there now, 21.38 billion. Holy freaking Jesus. I can understand why some of these crypto YouTubers are pushing their leverage links, because they're making a lot of money ways up and ways down off of people. And this was a great post on our Bitcoin. If you're extremely nervous about this drop, then you are over leveraged. This, I'm not even tripping about this. This is like, I saw it coming. I'm like, okay, cool. If you're like biting your nails right now, you are over leveraged. And if you're over leveraged, it's probably because you're leverage trading. You can be over leveraged, not leverage trading. You could be all in. Even I'm not all in, you guys. I have some cash just in case. But I do hold a significant majority of my wealth in crypto. But yeah, if you're biting your nails right now, it's because you are over leveraged. Don't be stupid. Don't listen to people saying Bitcoin's going to 100K next month. Ethereum's going to 10K next month. 20K, 30K next month. That's ridiculous. That's going to get you hurt. And these are the shitty people, you guys. These guys. The Moon, he is a terrible, terrible person. And just anyone really pushing leverage links, you know. Bybit. And if you look through it too, it's a majority of crypto YouTubers, you guys, that push these links. If you really go through who, it's almost every single one of them. And if you look at what the people who don't, there are other ones besides me that don't push leverage links. Just look at, you know, who does it versus who doesn't, and you'll understand. Getting to your guys' tips. Hold on one second. Harish Ratola. First time tipping someone because I believe in you, although it is a small amount. Keep doing the good stuff. Hey, man, no worries. I appreciate every tip from everyone. That's why I even answer, you know, if someone throws me 99 cents, 5 cents, I don't know what the lowest. I mean, someone tips me, I'm going to answer because I know that's your hard-earned money and you would really like me to answer. Oscar Oliveras. I was hoping to see a Chainlink video today. Well, I was hoping to post it, but it just didn't feel right to post it today. The markets are just getting trashed. But yeah, it's coming tomorrow. It should have been today. This live stream wasn't like planned, but I felt like it was right to do this live stream. Just explain, you know, this is crap. Don't follow these guys. They're telling you it's going to go to 20K, 30K one day, and then it drops 20K, and then they're telling you it's going to 20K the next day. Dayadani, big things are coming for EWT. I agree 100%. That's why I'm super bullish on it, and it's a major part of my portfolio. The easiest one, thoughts on using any Mary Jane coins in the future? Nah, I mean, just use a stable coin. There's no utility per se, I think, for a Mary Jane coin when there's payment rails and stuff they can already use. Dynamo LED, but I should reverse on that. But I do see a business opportunity for someone who creates those rails and easy onboarding for a lot of these dispensaries and the underbanked marijuana industry. Dynamo LED displays. Thank you for the $5 tip, man. Just shouting it out. Appreciate it. Wagar Ansari. Hey, Chico, I am trying to swap some coins on Uni. The average fee is $130. ETH miners are literally acting like Somali pirates. Win, Honey, and Perp. Perp is out. Honey is out. Now? Perp I covered the other day. It's doing excellent. I mean, token price isn't probably doing good, but everything follows Bitcoin, but it's doing lots of volume. Hey, it's up against Bitcoin and ETH. That's cool. Hey, Rodney Tabaka, thank you. You're the man, too. Thank you for the $5 tip. Ryan Navarro, 30% retracement. I'm not worried at all. I mean, yeah, this isn't my first time with 30% retracements. HRK 35. Dushan, stop smoking the hopium. Your whole room is filled with smoke. What's your... Oh, okay. I was like, what? Who's Dushan? What's your percentage Bitcoin and Ethereum holding? Chico? I did a video on that recently. I do portfolio updates. I mean, I'm not one to keep track of like my portfolio, like a block folio. I do it at the end of the year, you know. I just feel like it just causes too much pain and pressure on you when you're just consistent. I mean, I'm just a different type of person, so. Aaron Hunt, I appreciate you pointing out the fraud. Some of us actually care about this space. Peace. Yeah, they're not necessarily completely frauds. They're just terrible people. They just are greedy, really greedy. Hey, thank you for the $1.99 tip, man. I appreciate it. I didn't see that above the other guys. Good time to rebuy. I'm all in and die. I don't call, you know, I don't tell people when to buy. Like I'm saying, I'm not a day trader, you guys. Eric Thorpe. Hey, Tyler, any words on Elastos, Centivate, and Bizant? Elastos, I still hold mine. Nothing about Centivate and Bizant. I've actually got out of those projects. Boost Wayne IG. Thanks for the $3 tip. Seth7744. Thoughts on Zora price next alt season? Have you looked into Flash Stake Token? Very innovative D-app. I still hold my Zora because they are, of course, involved with the Kusama Polkadot ecosystem. But they also have the CBDC with Zora, Mitsu. There's big stuff going on, so. No, I haven't looked at Flash Stake. No, I'm not going to look up Apollo currency. But thank you for your tip. So where were we? Crappy YouTubers. Yep. So, the date, you know, what I'm eyeing right now, you know, will I, you know, actually take it all? Will I pull it all into a stable coin? I talked about it the other day, and it ties right into this, the New York AG's case, which I'm the only YouTuber who's covering, the only one. I mean, there may be a few others, but I've been covering it consistently since it's been going on, and it's been going on for about 1.5 years, because I know the importance of it, and everyone should understand the importance of it in the space. But yeah, the document handover is happening, and a lot of people think it's going to be that pumpkin event, and I mean, some of the manipulators could be using that narrative right now to really manipulate the markets right now. And that's why I'm not necessarily pulling fully out into a stable coin. I mean, I told you guys my cash out plan. It was the day after, you know, I was like, hey, this is going to crash. And then I told you, hey, this is my cash out plan.
For position submission to January 15th, 2021. So that necessarily doesn't sound good. We will get the AG's position most likely January 15th in just 9 days. But you want to know what's interesting? As this date gets closer and closer, the clock ticks, ticks, ticks some more. The talking heads of Tether are pushing into the limelight.
Yeah, so the talking heads started pushing into the limelight, and, you know, 15th, people are like, why wouldn't you cash out, you know, if that's going to happen? Because the manipulators are going to manipulate, and I don't think the 15th is the end-all event, the big one. So let's listen in.
Oh, I'm no dummy. The markets have been moving fast and moving hard because Tether has been printing. So I'm keeping my eye on the markets around this date, January 15th. Things are crazy bullish, and I'm pretty sure Tether plans to operate as normal throughout the year, but like I said, a bomb could be dropped. The markets, they start to tumble and tumble hard around this date. I just might pull out into a stable coin.
So some of you might be saying, aw, shitty, I frickin' had a chart up and you made me look up perpetual protocol. But it doesn't matter, I can just pull it up right here. So that looks unnatural, you know, 40 down to 30,000, 32, it was 30,000. That looks unnatural. Some people are like, why aren't you pulling out fully into a stable coin right now? Well, it comes back to these liquidations, you guys. So, of course, they've made a lot of money on the way down right here. But this might not be over. Like I said, Tether may be operating per normal. And they are trying to pull the shorters right now. So, in my opinion, I mean, we are having the bounce already. You know, Bitcoin, it hit 30,000. We're at 32 right now. I think we're going to tumble a little bit more, and we might test 3028. This is my just what I'm basing off of my bull crap. I don't know. We might hit 3028 because they're trying to get the shorters set up right now because of that date. A lot of people think that narrative's being pushed. You know, the end-all Tether event's going to happen on January 15th. The manipulators will use that to their advantage. So they are going to set up the shorters up to that date. And then when a nothing burger does come, that's when they go. So let's listen in.
But it may not happen next week like back in the past. It may happen later, as there may be more money to be made with shorts. Yesterday through today, the big exchanges and whales, they are seeing how this correction plays out. As going to bybt.com and its liquidation data, we can see over 24 hours yesterday, there was still over 110 million in short liquidations, just on that tiny little rebound back above 30K.
So that's another. They're going to play this out once again, in my opinion, because I think January 15th isn't the end-all event. I've talked about it. All that's happening that day is the document handover. It's big. It's important because it's the evidence. It's the evidence that will prove, in my opinion, that Tether is a security. And that's exactly why they're doing this, because it's... The plan isn't, you know, take them out from the inside in, out. It's outside in, just like they did with XRP. So yeah, I mean, if unnatural movements happen, you know, around January 15th, Bitcoin goes, I mean, I might even not pull out fully if it gets even above 20. But, I mean, it starts going down here. That's the end all. I mean, Tether is over. It's done. We dropped into here. But up above here, I could see that happening. But in my personal opinion, I see higher 30s, 28s, maybe just to get the shorters going, licking their chops. Because a lot of money can be made on the way down. 2017, shorters made out like bandits, you guys. Down here, oh my gosh, they were making so much money. I remember them coming into my chat just bragging about it, and then they got wrecked right here, you know. So I do see the correction playing out for a little bit. Them evaluating, you know, how many people are going short. They will pull another, in my opinion, plug. This is the dead cat bounce. It's going to dip a little bit lower, just to get those shorters. But then, in my opinion, it's going to be a nothing burger because...
So my cash out strategy for the next few weeks is to not cash out. I'm eyeing the markets up to January 15th for anything unnaturally down. It's obvious from the Tether talking heads going on Peter's podcast, they're looking for good PR before some possible bombs are dropped when the AG takes its next position. So if it's possible bombs from the AG, why not listen to Renhack? He said he would take profits now, and it might go sub 20K. Well, I'm Chico Crypto, and it's highly possible by the Tether talking heads going into the public limelight and addressing it as FUD, which Peter said they were going to do. They are planning to fight and continue to operate per normal.
Operate per normal? Business as usual? Yeah, Paulo Ardoino, Bitfinex CTO. Sorry to break this to the FUD spreaders. Tether and Bitfinex produced more than 2.5 million documentation pages in response to requests from the New York AG. Discussions are progressing well. Business as usual after January 15th. Operate per normal, business as usual. That's what I'm saying. It's I don't think it's an end all. The security would be. If Tether was ruled a security, that would be it. It would be a bad, terrible, terrible event. And Trolley McTrollface, he explains it well. Trolley McTrollface. If Tether collapses, you don't want to have long or short positions on anything. Prices won't make sense and you'll get liquidated. Exchanges will collapse, even those that don't rely on USDT. Just ask the funds who had to liquidate their positions at Lehman, no matter the price. Tether is the Lehman of cryptocurrency. And if it is ruled a security, exchanges start delisting it, it will implode. The crypto markets could implode. But there's some things that go back to this New York AG case that I might be explaining here in a video this week. How is XOR airdrop coming in? They have a couple posts out on that. It's coming in Q1 2021, hoping this month. I'm excited. Who doesn't like airdrops? Be smooth. I will be smooth, brother. Hey Chico, what do I think about Orchid? Interesting. Decentralized VPN, but I'm more bullish on a couple other projects. POK, Pocket, and Hopper. Scotty P, plus their lawyers just asked to be removed from the case. The 15th ain't the big one. Yes, that is true. They are going to operate per normal. I think they're just playing into the narrative of the 15th right now. Robert Lay, thanks for being the very few covering Tether exposure. Any updates, thoughts over the next few weeks, a month? This seems to be a huge systematic risk. I'm talking about it right now. Yeah, if it goes down, there's no getting out of crypto. Everything goes down. Pravo Kratsov, what are my thoughts on Nano? Crap. You're not asking the right channel for that kind of stuff. They're just, yeah. It's hard to explain. No, it's not. It's just 2017 leftover bullcrap. I talked about it earlier. And Nano will go away eventually. Don Percent, let the Bitcoin hit the floor. Let the Bitcoin hit the floor. Let the Bitcoin hit the floor. Yes. SB Swain, how soon after the 15th could we know whether it's not a security? That's not a question to ask me. That's a question to ask her, the SEC. I don't know any more than anyone else, man. Yeah. Who knows? But, yeah, that's actually pretty much it for the stream, you guys. So I do see a bounce happening right here. We are in the kitty cat bounce, back up to 32. But we will see, in my opinion, a little bit more pain as they play into this 15th narrative. And, yeah, they set up some shorters, wreck them. But if it is business as usual, then this isn't this isn't crashing, all more pain to come. There will be a tiny bit more pain, smidgen, but I do think it's going to continue. And I'll be, you know, the one at the forefront of the markets trying to tell you what's going on. YouTube's kind of trying to bury me among the other crypto YouTubers right now, but I'm going to keep posting, work my butt off, and yeah. So now I'm here actually to just answer your guys' questions regarding the markets. You know, any fears, questions you have. I guess I will maybe answer a few questions about altcoins. I don't like API 3, Lazarus. A lot of trying to FUD Chainlink for some reason. Then124, hey Chico, can you talk about the way you plan to trade into stablecoins if the nuke is dropped? Uniswap or send to SX? Thanks, bro. Well, it depends, you know. If it's unnatural end all, you know, I might be going into US dollars. Fiat. USD would probably be the most safe stable coin that would rise if the hashes were to completely collapse. But yeah, it depends on really what happens. Because if it is the end all, you know, like Troll H McTrollface, and then I mean, I wish I could talk about it right now, but I don't want to end the video, ruin the video. At the beginning of the New York AG's case, she even stated that the goal of this isn't to end the crypto markets like what this guy is saying might happen. So I don't think, you know, necessarily that's what they're trying to do. If XRP is ruled out as a cryptocurrency, Tyler, will you buy? No, XRP is crap. Why would I buy a centralized banker's coin? Oh, am I listening to my own video? Where? Oh, someone just said that. When will XRP have a big drop? I would just get out of XRP, you guys. I mean, XRP isn't, you know, a great coin. I mean, it's not anything for cryptocurrency. It's for, you know, bankers, and it's a greed coin. It's, you know, hey, it goes against everything crypto's about, but I might make money off of it. I'm not about that, or I would cover XRP and crap coins. I'm about, you know, the markets trying to move forward, you know, and people to actually learn about what's in this space, because there's a lot of good in this space, but there is a lot of bad as well, unfortunately. I do like Luxo, and I actually got more bullish on Luxo here recently because a competitor Luxo, who I thought a DApp, is actually dropping their physical side of things. I was like, that is a bad idea. They don't see it right now, but physical and blockchain are gonna mold so well together. Oh my gosh. Especially with like limited items. Oh man. Ben Oppenheimer, if Tether's a security, you'd be off the BTC train for good. You don't see a recovery for crypto's value long term. No, I would get back in crypto, but it would be a damaging event. Oh yeah, I mean, I believe in Bitcoin, but I don't know if it would be Bitcoin that comes back after that. I mean, you can't say what you're going to do right now because no one knows what would exactly happen. Would it be Bitcoin that rises from the ashes, or would it be completely different? Maybe that's the plan. I mean, what they're trying to do. I have no idea, you guys. I'm just a guy that's been in crypto since November 2013, officially. I started researching it probably 3 months before that, like looking into it, not researching it heavily. And then I heard about it probably in 2012. Rafael Piccola, Index Coop, PiDAO, or Power Index. I hold all three. I think decentralized indexes are huge, so spread my risk and hold all three. But PiDAO is probably the most decentralized out of all the three. And I like decentralization, so. And, yeah. But DPI, Index has the DPI, you know, if you like, you know, someone who has the strong ties, you know, more ingrained, has more VC, better ties to exchanges, that's Index and DPI. If you like decentralization and, you know, crypto anarchy, that's PiDAO. If you like speed, that's Power Index. They're on going for layer 2. Holy cow, the volume on Coinbase right now. Cryptocurrent. Very good. Admin. Thank you, cryptocurrent. You demand. Am I a millionaire? I don't answer questions about my wealth. But once I become a millionaire, you will know it. I'll start giving away my wealth because that's too much money. No, so I'm not a millionaire. I mean, I'm trying to play the market smart. I mean, I could be already a millionaire if I did what other cryptocurrency YouTubers did. I mean, I could have made $30,000-$40,000 a sponsor if I had covered some scam coins, but I didn't. If you saw YouTubers, oh, you fucking kidding me? Who is calling me in the middle of a live stream? Bro, you need to... Dude, I'm gonna yell at him. That guy needs to chill. Yeah, so, I mean, I could have, but I didn't want to do that. Lots of scams that went down in the last 3 months. And if a YouTuber you saw covered a scam and they're apologizing it, saying, I didn't know, they knew and they made a lot of money. Then124, it is easy to add another validator to your Avado once you already have one running. Was thinking about get one running smooth before adding more. What do you mean? Oh, adding another validator to your node? I haven't done that, so I don't know. Then, I'm gonna set up, maybe a tornado relayer, and I'm definitely joining the next Hopper incentivized testnet. Danielle, soon graphene airdrop for 4 holders too. Oh, nice. I don't know how valuable that one is going to be, but that's cool. Thank you for the tip. Meme Cash, thank you so much, man. Oh, and actually I was going to talk about Meme Cash. So, yeah, I was going to bring this up. I recently got delivered something super cool. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, they sent me a cartoon picture pretty well, and it's actually from someone pretty cool. Yeah, Meme Cash NFTs, all their NFTs are done by a certain artist, and it's actually Popas. He's the fastest cartoon artist in the world, holds the Guinness World Record for it. Done Obama, Putin, and Sergey. So I'm very pleased to be along the likes of the Sergey Flanman himself, as well as some of the crypto crapheads like Supo, old 2017. Some of these other guys are your new Supos, you'll see. So yeah, I appreciate that. Meme Cash, you guys are awesome. Oh, people are mad because Obama got brought up. You guys, dude, Obama and Trump are the same, and Joe Biden. Literally, it's the same people running our country. Again, for the past 25 years. And anyone who plays into that stupid game, in my opinion, you are just that. Stupid. Because it's obvious. You just got to do some little tiny bit of research. Little tiny bit of research. And you can find out that it is BlackRock Financial pulling the financial strings once again. Why would they be playing with the same company over and over and over and over unless they weren't friends? Yeah, just think about it for a gosh dang second, you guys. Takes literally a gosh dang second. What are the top 5 altcoins in my portfolio? I probably did a portfolio video less than a month ago, maybe a month ago. So Chico Crypto portfolio, and it will pull it up, man. What's my favorite rock band? Ooh, I like me a little Leonard Skinner. Elrond is giving me Tesla vibes. Not me. Thanks for the tip, man. Ken, hey Chico, what do I think about Reserve RSR? You mentioned it in 2019. I recently talked about it. I mean, I don't not bullish on it anymore. They have had the time to do it, and there's other projects that are doing similar things to them. Meta and MStable, and they're pushing more volume and stuff. What's the coin? Stable coin. Probably just need to go to their website. I can't think of the ticker for their stable coin. MUSD. Stupid. Yeah, they're already doing more volume than I mean, RSR has had time, and not bullish on them anymore. The PayPal narrative has kind of lost itself too with them partnering with Paxos. So Chris Duder Superior, hey, thank you for your tip, man. I'm just tipping, nothing else. What's my sign? West Side. I'm a Libra, I think. Yeah, Libra. Virgo cusp, I think it is. West Side. We're holding at 32, though. The nice little battle right here. But, I mean, this could be the next one. But we'll see. But I do very likely think we're going to see another dip. They're going to play this narrative, you guys. Oh, yeah, Coca-Cola. I don't like Ethereum Classic at all. The only reason was to hold it was for the Ethereum 2.0 failure narrative, and there was a little bit of that you could have made money on, but now that it's launched, I mean, there is still a chance, you know, we get big failure, but the chance of it isn't as likely as it once was. I'm not as good as I once was, but I'm as good once as I ever was. Christopher Superior, hey Chico, what's my opinion about Noya Networks and Trophy now after rebranding? I haven't looked into Noya in a while. The time I did cover Noya, that was a sponsored content. I tried to pick good sponsors. It's a hard job to do, I'll tell you that. Especially trying to research everything constantly, and it's just myself. But Noya was good, and there's a reason I chose it as sponsor, so. And I have picked some shitty sponsors back in the day, you guys. Like, I did. And I messed up. But I try to get better each and every day instead of getting worse. Pavel says there is a correlation between DXY and crypto and stocks. Are you in the dollar straight to inflation, or will we see a deflationary event, then inflation? We'll definitely see deflation before inflation. That's my opinion. I think we are already seeing a little bit of deflation. God, I hate watching these charts. I don't know how people, like, day trade and stuff, dude. It's just like, you gotta be like, well, I mean, we just gotta go back to my video. Shoot, dude. Shoot, dude. I can't even remember what it's called. It used to be my top video. Shoot. I know how to find it, actually. Playlists. Yeah, because this video is excellent. I think it's in here. Shit. Yeah, Fudge Meister. What happened to that video, dude? It was my crypto trader video. I'm not gonna even be able to find it. That sucks. It's where I make fun of day traders. It's a pretty dang funny video, but I can't remember what it's called. Huh. Lines here, lines there. Lines everywhere. Dude. Stop calling me in the middle of a live stream, please. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to find it. Damn it, you guys. I need to have all those saved. Do I think Ethereum will go any lower before it run? You guys, I just literally talked to, I'm sorry if I get a little frustrated with tips, but literally I just talked about what I think the markets are going to do. If Bitcoin falls again, then yes, Ethereum is going to follow it. Okay, maybe you're a brand new trader and I'm sorry, but everything follows Bitcoin. If Bitcoin falls, everything follows it. Do you not see the 1 hour chart? Everything following it. Do you not see the 24-hour chart? Everything following it except stablecoin. It's because everything follows Bitcoin. It doesn't matter. Nothing is not correlated to Bitcoin right now. There might be 1-2 altcoins that have a random pump, but eventually it will succumb to the pressure and then it falls. So, Steve-O, if it is the real Steve-O and you're just starting to invest in crypto, everything follows Bitcoin. So yeah, Ethereum would probably likely have another little dip. And then if Tether runs operate per normal, then Ethereum will operate per normal too. Todd Mullet. So if Tether is declared a security, when you say implosion, do you mean BTC under 5K? That level or exchange is wiped off the map. It would be so bad, you guys, for Tether. I mean, exchanges would have to delist it, for everything. Exchanges would have to delist Tether. If exchanges have to delist Tether, exchanges can't operate. If exchanges can't operate, the liquidity pipes all come to a clogged flow. And what Trolly McTrollface is saying is possible. It is really possible. If that happens. I mean, literally the pipes all get clogged and the movement of how these whales operate, it stops. I don't know what would happen. I don't know 5K. I mean, I can't make a call on that. It's too unknown. Oh, so yeah, Teja. I don't know how much money that is, but it's red. And I don't even know what currency that is. I appreciate it, though. You're the man. Most likely man or woman. I do have about 6% of my viewers are female. So, I can't tell by your name. But most likely man. Ban Super Bowl, Scotty P. He's the man. Thank you for the tip, too. You didn't have to do that, Scotty P. I appreciate you. You the man. That's why I couldn't find it. It was Super Bowl. This is excellent video, you guys. My name is Tyler, cryptocurrency trader and YouTuber extraordinaire. Today I'm here to invite you deceptively to join my paid-for cryptocurrency trading course.
TA? Technical analysis? Fuck no, this is Tyler analysis. Bitcoin, short it, long it, 100x, Leverage it. My charting skills will make your head spin.
Descending triangle. Descending triangle.
Line here. Line there. Line everywhere.
If you guys want a little
Triangle.
Line here.
Easter egg too, there's a penis right there.
Line there. Line everywhere. Why hodl this when you can hodl that? Only $999.99 per course. Sell your wife, sell your house, sell your kids, sell that little shit of a dog smart. Give me your money. Only 9 billion classes left, so act now.
This is not an actual course. Do not be a dumb fuck and never pay for a crypto trading course or pay for a group. These YouTubers who lure the uninformed in are trying to fill their pockets with your hard-earned cash by showing their garbage charting skills, ICOs, and views on the crypto market. Examples are Ambulina, Superman, Crypto Crew University, Crypto Bitcoin Chris, Crypto 99, Silicone, Patrick Corsino, and so many more. The best information on cryptocurrency, whether it be ICOs, fundamental analysis, or technical analysis, is always free. Do not fall for their traps.
Oh, I wrecked every crypto YouTuber with that video. Because they are all like that. Line here, line there, 100,000, 20,000. God, I hate them. I hate them, I hate them, I hate them, I hate them. I hate them, I hate them. Can be more subtle for the more funny factor. Smoogly McGee, that was meant to be over the top. That was the point of it. Yeah, so what I was saying, like, the only reason, like, people can really look at this is you gotta literally be doing a line right after. Which you can tell with the Moon Carl by how chapped his lips are right now. Oh my god, that guy is on one. Him and Crypto, they're just fucking... Sue me. I don't care, you fucks. Already have been. Tried to. Yeah, I hate them. Hate them all. If Tether is deemed a security, will you sell your coins? I just, you guys, watch the content and listen. I'm sorry again, since you tipped. But yes, I will. If Tether is deemed a security, that is the end-all event, you know. That is a big, I will get out of the crypto markets. And I'm, you know, really trying to be the YouTuber that understands when it could come. But I still don't have a date. No one does. But I'm trying to be the one that's going to be able to see when it could come. So hopefully my, you know, subscribers have an idea. But yeah, of course I would get back into the crypto markets. I believe in cryptocurrency. But for the past 5-6 years, something really nasty has taken it over. Hey, the way to life. Love Chris. I love Chris too. Are you talking about... Love Chris. Who's Chris? I don't even know who Chris is. Ben Oppenheimer, tip for that vid. Thanks, Ben. Oh, Vivek Chodoria. This is just to inform you, currency in India rupee 1 USD equals 73 INR. Thank you for that conversion. And yes, Surya is a man. Surya, you are the man, not woman. I appreciate that. Big time tip. Take my money, $9.99. Do I take Tether? Oh yeah, that course takes Tether. That course loves Tether. Yeah, what's ridiculous too is I'm even getting out-subbed right now, or out-viewed, by people like Crypto Love. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. The markets are retarded right now. Oh gosh. Oh, did I miss someone's super chat? Joe Ball? I don't see it. Oh, Joe Ball. Hey, Chico. What's your opinion on the best mid-cap bet for the future? I'm stuck between Ocean Protocol and Energy Web. I have both of them, and I've made a video that those are 2 top future coins. So I'm not going to pick between either of them because they are my top picks for the future, because sustainability in AI data is the future. And I think those are the 2 top blockchain projects in each of those sectors. So, not going to pick between them. Don't make me pick. But anything other, another energy project, say, or something like Power Ledger, Energy Web spanks Power Ledger's booty. Another AI project, I can't think of one off the top of my head, Deep Brain Chain, spanks its booty. Don't get tricked into the other crap. Those are crap. Be with the projects that have been developing this for a long while. They've been taking the steps to make sure this is done right. Sorry for missing that too, man. Bright, colorful father. Thoughts on effects of EMP, electromagnetic pulse on cold storage and the ledger. Would I be able to take my Bitcoin into the apocalypse? Yeah, I mean... What do you mean? You mean people like destroying your ledger with like an EMP bomb outside your house? I don't know what would happen. If you have your, phrase, you can just get a new ledger. But are you talking about, like the whole internet going down? Yeah, if the whole internet goes down, Bitcoin's in trouble and things that rely on the internet are in trouble. But Bitcoin blockchain isn't stopping. I mean, the safest way to have your Bitcoin stored is cold storage paper wallet. Hands down. Even over a hardware wallet, because hardware, you're relying on things like that. Bitcoin blockchain isn't going to stop. They have it running satellites and stuff. I don't know if an EMP takes out the satellite. I don't know. I'm not an EMP specialist. Then124, do you know when if the FinCEN rule about transfers to private wallets is coming into effect? I hope it doesn't come into effect, but no, I don't. They keep that stuff under wraps. Especially with how big of an effect an announcement like that would have on the crypto markets. I'm sure some market manipulators get word of it, but we wouldn't. I'll try to, keep us updated as the time comes along. That's for sure. Of course, Meme Cash. I am very happy with the picture, you guys. This is super cool. Never had something done for me like that before. And it's with me with my long hair, too. I miss my long hair. And I'm going bald now. Last time I'm going to be able to grow out my long hair. That's why I got my wig. So when I do go bald. Yes, I think the graph is a long-term project. I was talking about the graph even before the token came out. There's ways to get the token by doing some community efforts, running a node. I told people to do it because the token was going to pump when it came out. It did, and I'm still bullish on the graph. It is a chain link caliber type project. Not bullish, on price movements. I'm a fundamentalist. When I say I'm bullish, it's not like I'm bullish like the price is going to explode tomorrow. I'm bullish long-term on the fundamentals of the project. It's projects that's going to be there. Company that's going to be there long-term. Long-term. It's going to be around for cycle after cycle. It's not going to be one that pumps and dump, and then it's gone. Chico, I need to relax now. What's the synopsis? The synopsis is we might take another little dipster here soon. I do think this is a little dead kitty. Shooby wooby, we've had a double dead kitty. But we will have a nice little... Because they're setting up the longers right here. Then they're going to set up the shorters. And then finally... we go bullish again. Because they're not done printing. If you look at what's going on. If Tether operates per normal, they're not done. Be careful with the graph. Short vesting period for pre-salers, 6 months. Yeah, you know, see, that's why I'm saying, you know, I'm not talking about price movements. There are VCs, investors that probably have still some pretty significant gains. But the graph and the querying and indexing is used within so many freaking Dapps already, you guys. Oh, this was when it was in testnet too. Oops. Lots and lots of subgraphs. And more coming online every hour. Minute. Now, you guys. And actually, I forgot totally. So the graph is not only just a good, you know, fundamental project. The graph is actually a good place to find research. So a lot of these graphs, subgraphs, are going into new Dapps, new protocols, new everything. When you see one of them being deployed, worked on, hey, maybe look into what's going on with that. So the graph is not only, ooh, 10 Lake. Four days ago it was updated, nice. So yeah, no, the graph is actually a great place to do research. I use it. And their graphs go through the new ones. See what, ooh, something going. Oh, what's going on here? Like reward staging. See, like I'm finding something right here. What's reward staging? What's that? Means something may be coming to the 10 Lake Dapp. Hey Chico, thanks for keeping it real. Of course, Marvin. Thank you for your 500 I think that's rupee tip. For your information, NFT fractionalization is coming to Unique, one NFT marketplace. Besides that, users will be able to deploy NFT vaults to bundle and manage the NFT assets. I actually do like fractionalization of NFTs. I've actually covered it before. What's the project? Unique.1. Interesting. There is one that is live though. Niftex. Oh yeah, does Niftex have a token too? Ooh. I don't think they do. I don't think they do. So this is a good one you might want to use. I don't think they have a token, you guys. They just put out V2 of the exchange too. They're on the Matic layer 2. NFT equals no freaking thanks. NFTs are a hard market to really invest in because you got to find, you know, what limited item is going to be valuable. Not every NFT is going to be valuable, you guys. Like some of these crypto YouTuber NFTs, fart noises. Like just a card they made, that thing's gonna be worth jack crap in a year. Especially when the markets go. Their NFT is gonna go to the literal zero. But yeah, NFTs are a hard market to understand. Like, art NFTs, you have to understand, you know, NFT artists, which ones are the good. Digital items within games, you gotta understand what's gonna be the popular game. I mean, just like crypto investing, you know, projects, you have to research your NFTs. But if you understand it and you're good at it, there is money to be made. Crypto Trends, thanks for the $1.99 tip, man. Buy back in yet, or wait, wow, MP. You sound like one of the people who are getting played around. Selling at the bottoms, buying in on the bounces. Oh man. Be careful. I am eyeing what's going on right now. I mean, if anything super unnatural, like I said, goes down into the low 20Ks, you know, whoo, might want to think about getting out. If BTC dips below 20K, are you going to sport the wig? I wish I got the wig done, but that freaking wig maker won't answer me. I think they think I'm like trying to do it as like a mean joke or something. I just want him wig made. I don't know. So I'm trying to still get a wigger made. Take profit, secure some gains. Yeah, if you want to that's not bad advice right there, you guys. But I'm not going to tell you guys when. I'm eyeing the markets. I don't think we're going to have the end-all event. So if Trezor operates as normal, what Paulo said, business as usual after the January 15th, then it would be probably stupid to cash out in the beginning of a big bull run. But it'd probably be stupid if it isn't business as usual after 15. Maybe he's saying that just to trick everyone. I don't know. But I would love to have the wig ready, Carlos. I'm going to have to find a new wig maker, but I'm not very in tune with, you know, the wig making market. Yeah, I'm just running my ETH one right now and my ETH 2. I'm going to do the Hopper incentivized testnet next one. Alright guys, well I appreciate all you guys tuning in for the stream, the crash stream per se, I guess you could call it. So yeah, if you guys want to continue watching me, I will be continue streaming on Theta for a little bit after stream. I party a little bit on there after, so if you want to party with Chico, come party with Chico. It's gonna be a hootin' old time. So, yeah, I'll see you guys then, and tomorrow I got a video on Chainlink, and it's gonna stink. So, stay stinky with Chico, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.